we pursued our goals without rest. We never stopped challenging ourselves. The company that dreams of a better future with new technology. An innovator in electrical equipment, nuclear power, and aerospace. We are Vitzro Tech. The first challenge for a brighter world. Through the development of Korea's electric power industry, Vitzro Tech has been illuminating the lights of hope in Korea. It is a professional electrical equipment corporation that has been undergoing continuous growth and change since it was established in 1955. Vitzro Tech devotes itself to technological improvement in the fields of electrical equipment, insulators, switchgears, aerospace, plasma plants, accelerators, vacuum components, and non-degradable waste disposal. Vitzro Tech was selected among the top 50 companies of quality. It also has various Korean and international certifications for product development and holds unique techniques for electric equipment. 60 industrial property rights are the fruits of 50 years of history and effort by Vitzro Tech. Vitzro Tech shared half a century with the development of Korea's electrical power industry. Vitzro Tech aspires to become an international corporation with the potential for future growth. Technology is our company's competitive edge. Vitzro Tech is a professional corporation with accumulated technology in electrical equipment for high and low voltages, protective devices, IEDs and controllers, switchgears, special equipment for aerospace, plasma, accelerators and nuclear fusion facilities, and vacuum equipment. Vitzro Tech's strongest competitive edge is its core technology. The first key technology that drives Vitzro Tech's growth is the ability to produce vacuum interrupters, the primary component on the closing device of high-voltage equipment. Vitzro Tech is the only mid-sized company in Korea that develops vacuum interrupters. Successfully producing vacuum interrupters domestically in 1980 with its own technology, Vitzro Tech continues to improve the quality, credibility, and quality control of its products. In particular, Vitzro Tech uses vacuum valves with outstanding quality to provide reliable extinction, which allows for fast vacuum insulation recovery. Developed on this technology, Vitzro Tech's vacuum circuit breakers are the main breakers for Korail and the Metropolitan Transit Corporation. Also, the competitiveness in quality, credibility, and cost is acknowledged by many institutions like Korea Electric Power Corporation, Korea Gas Corporation, Korea Broadcasting System, the Ministry of National Defense, and POSCO. The second key technology that drives Vitzro Tech's growth is the low-voltage air circuit breaker, which contains breaker technology, relays, and an integrated meter. Since first produced domestically in 1988, the low-voltage ACB has become safer and was successfully developed into a safer breaker for nuclear power generation in 2003. MCCB, another low-voltage circuit breaker, acquisition a KS certification. International Standard IEC and CE, a TSC from Turkey, and the UL standards necessary for the American markets. Vitzro's third core technology. Number 1 in ATS low-voltage equipment in Korea, Vitzro has proven its stability and credibility from continuous business relationships with major generator companies for 15 years. Vitzro has the largest capacity for short circuit in Korea and is the leading company in providing power for major facilities like KEPCO, hospitals, and broadcasting companies. The auto transfer switch encompasses Vitzro's key technologies in the vacuum interrupter for high voltage equipment and breakers for low voltage equipment. Fast and reliable, it has a long record of success and is exported to America for an annual yield of $10 million. Demand for it in Europe and Asia is continuously rising. Vitzro's astonishing growth in digital relays and integrated meters will lead the smart grid in the next generation. An attempt for the future. Belief in a greater future. Vitzro is accelerating towards the limitless future. Vitzro pursuing its dreams for new growth based on the know-how accumulated over the last 50 years. Adopted a vacuum arc extinction methods as its primary R&D project in order to develop eco-friendly and state-of-the-art technology. Vitzro's aerospace business was the first to successfully develop and produce liquid rocket combustion chambers in Korea, and has maintained unrivaled techniques for a decade in this field. Vitzro maintains Korea's best technology and know-how based on its R&D in plasma, and is applying its technique in plasma systems and applied business. The Environment Division uses plasma application technology to pyrolyze noxious organic liquid waste that is generated from the industrial process. Vitzro has incorporated a division to treat and manage the byproduct from disposal of mid-low-level radioactive or liquid waste in an eco-friendly manner, and takes charge in the final stage of disposal. Vitzro is Korea's only professional accelerator producer, holding Korea's best technique in proton acceleration. Active in the Korean and international accelerator market, Vitzro is strengthening its firm foundation as the best professional accelerator producer. Vacuum equipment produces vacuum valve, the core compartment of vacuum, semiconductor, display and solar division. It also holds patents in material, design, production, and services, and maintains the facility to produce parts to manage the entire system. Vitzro has walked along with the development of Korea's electrical industry. The long and successful history was achieved only with the techniques accumulated over a long time and endless endeavoring. Vitzro will continue to lead the Korean market with R&D and will grow into a global corporation as it expands its exporting markets. Vitzro, the pioneering company that is rewriting the history of the electrical industry. Vitzro, the company equipped with internationally competitive technology and quality. Vitzro's hopeful future is brighter than light.